Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Life. After pregnancy I have mentioned that I have trouble skin, I had some acne, I had some oiliness on my skin, so I was searching for products that could help me heal those scars and help me to get rid of those acnes and oily areas. And I have already showed some product, and today in this video I will also show a product for this. Personally, I bought this product not from the internet, but I bought it from Olive Young. Olive Young in Korea is maybe the major drugstore. There are many drugstores, but I think Olive Young is the most popular among them. So if you come to Korea, you can also buy this product from Olive Young store. So this is the product, it's Ella Band Hydro Dot. This package contains 48 pieces of hydro patches and each of them are 12 millimeters. So altogether about this product is for the face. If you have pimples or acne or any scars on your skin, you can use these patches. You can simply just stick it on the area and it will help healing it. If you use it and you leave it on for a few hours and remove this patch, you can already see the healing effect. It's also good because you cannot touch your pimple directly. If you put on the patch onto the pimple, you cannot touch it, so it will keep it clean. Also, unlike other patches that I have tried before, you can use it on the top of skincare products. Sometimes when I used other patches after the skincare process at night, I couldn't really stick the patch onto the skin because it just came off, the sticker didn't work. But if I do my skincare product and after that I use this patch, it can stick onto the skin really well. So it was really positive for me that I could use it together with skincare products, because other cases when I use other patches before this product, I couldn't do my skincare. I had to keep my skin really dry and put on the patch so it would stick on my skin, but I don't need to worry about this. I can do my whole skincare process and in the end I just wait a few minutes just to be sure, and after that I just stick it onto the pimple and it will stay over there. Also about the removal, when I try to remove other patches from my skin, they can be sometimes really sticky like a glue on the skin and it's hard to remove those patches, but I didn't have this problem with this patch. When I tried to remove this patch in the morning, it was really stable, but at the same time I didn't have that glue sticky feeling, so I could remove it easily. And the third point about the usage, why I like this product, is that you can use this product at night, but as well you can use it in the morning. After you do your skincare routine, you can wait just a few minutes and apply on the patch onto the problem, onto the pimples, because you have scar or just because you have an active acne that you want to cover, and after that you can apply on the makeup. So yeah, I tried. This patch is working really well together with the makeup. Of course, you can see that something is over there, but it's not that visible as other patches. When you use other patches, they are actually too thick, and I found this one as the thinnest. So this is the most natural among the ones that I have used so far. This is really thin and it's working really well together with the makeup. As you can see, currently I don't wear any makeup. I just did my skincare and I just applied on some tone-up cream. So I don't wear any makeup now, just some lip gloss and that's all. And I have a little scar on my chin over here, so I will apply on the patch so you can see how it works and how big is it. So now I will show how to apply it on. Okay, so to be sure I came closer to the camera, and this is the patch in my hand. You can see it's already broken in the half, so you can just peel it off. You need to peel off only one half, so you have this in your hand, and I like to open it a little bit so it will be easier to remove the paper. But after that you can just put it onto the area, onto the problem, and it will stick over there, and you have the paper to remove just gently. You need to hold it with one finger and remove it with the other hand, and you can just tap it over there, but it's already really good. I will apply on my ohi cushion on the top of the patch. So the patch is here. I sticked a little bit, not on the middle, but anyways. So you can just apply on the foundation. So you can see it's really natural. Of course you can see that something is over there, but if you meet someone you will not notice it as soon as you look at their face, so it's not really detectable. You can cover it up with makeup, it's working really well together with makeup, and it will hide that red scar over there. So if I don't use this patch, I should use concealer and everything, and those concealer and foundation will make it hard to breathe. So after I arrive home and wash up that makeup, my scar or pimple would be just even worse than before. But if I use this patch, nobody can see that I have acne or scar over there, and even it will heal my skin. So at night when I come home and I remove the patch, my scar will almost disappear. So if I wake up in the morning and I have some trouble on my skin, I just use this patch and I can apply on the makeup and I'm good to go. It's really long lasting, so if you apply on this patch, it will last all day long. It will not peel off automatically just because you are sweating. So I thought that if I am sweating and it's really hot outside, it will just melt down and it will just come off because my skin is too oily because of the excess sebum production, but it was not a problem. It stayed in place, it stayed put. So even if the weather is really humid and really hot, it will stay over there and you can just remove it at night. So altogether I really enjoyed using this product. It had a really positive outcome for me. It helped solving my problems about the pimples, about my troubles on my skin. So beside of other trouble care products that I have showed before, I really enjoy using this one also, so I can only recommend it. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.